It's your girl Sin, and I was just coming on here to do this video because I got some new equipment in today. So if you guys want to see what the new equipment is, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright squad, if you've been watching my videos, you saw a couple days ago I posted a video letting you guys know that I am selling my screen printing equipment. I have not sold it all yet, so if you're interested, you can contact me by DM or email me, and I can let you know what I have left and what the prices are. So today I actually got some new equipment in, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. Alright squad, I actually had 2 items to come in, and I was actually not even expecting them. Now one item is not really a new item, well, we're gonna open that up too. So the first item is right here, and I got my blade, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Alright, so right here, as you guys see, it's my same rolling vinyl cutter that I had, the 15-inch rolling sticker cutter. I had to get a part fixed on it. They also replaced the cutting blade, looks like. Yeah, but so it should be in good working order. But that's the first item right here. Now, this next thing is kind of heavy, but your girl been working out, and if you haven't been working out with me, or if you haven't been checking out my workout videos, you can go here on YouTube and type in Get Fit with Sin, and my exercise videos will come up. And I work out Monday through Friday at 8:30 a.m. Central Time, so you guys can check me out if you're interested in getting in shape, because your girl been, look at that. Y'all see that? Trying to get right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this next thing so I can let you guys check it out. So this box is kind of big right here. Y'all can see how big this box is right here. I can hardly see you guys over it, so I'm gonna go ahead, open it up so you guys can check it out. All right, I'm gonna sit this on the floor right here, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and sit it on the floor. All right, and hopefully y'all can see it better from this position. Got this protective piece of wood on top. See if I can pull this out right here. Whoa, that looks pretty nice. I'm gonna let y'all check it out from the top view right here. As you guys see, some of you may be able to tell what it is already. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this bad boy out. Let me see if I can grab it up out of here. Then slide this box out of the way. So now, y'all are seeing it a little better. As you see right here, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it like it's a Christmas gift, even though it's like Christmas in July, more like Christmas in July. All right, I'm gonna set it back up on the counter and let you guys check it out. I think y'all be able to see it better once I do that. I'm dropping parts of it on the floor right here. Go ahead and open it up. All right, so see if I can, let me just lift this up and try to see how I can get this out. Okay, that's okay. You can pull it out from the back easily from the back. All right, go ahead and get all this plastic from underneath it. All right, so as you guys see right here, this is a hat press from Heat Press Nation. It is actually their signature series auto open hat press right here. And it comes right here. You can see it's got the attachments. It comes with 3 different size attachments right here. I don't know if they have any other ones available, but that's the 3 attachments right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off. Well, I'm gonna let y'all check it out. Y'all know from Heat Press Nation, they actually have a lot of different hat presses that they offer, but this was one that I had actually been looking to get for a while, but it was out of stock, and now it was finally back in stock. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut these little bands off and let y'all check it out. All right, y'all, I thought I was filming when I cut these little tabs off right here, but I wasn't filming. So right here, all I did was cut the tabs off, open the press up, and right here, I was just showing how easy it is to remove. You can remove this cap platen right here, slide it back in there, and I'm gonna take the rest of them out and let y'all see what all sizes they have. So Alright, so we have all the different sizes right here. I'm going to try to line them up in order of biggest to smallest. If I can do that, let me see. Right here. And this one is going to be smallest, so that one goes right there. So right here, we actually have them lined up all the way from biggest to smallest. Right here. I'm going to let you guys see. I'm going to get my measuring tape. And I'm going to let you guys kind of see about what the size of them are. Okay, so we got this first one right here. It's about almost 3 inches right here, as you see. It's almost 3 inches wide. And with the curve in it, it's about 7 inches right there. Okay, that's the smallest one. And then we got this next one. It's about 3 inches wide, as you guys see right there. And with the curve, it's about the same thing. Okay, so then we have one of the bigger ones. That one is 4 inches right there. And with the curve, it is actually 7 inches. Okay, so then the biggest one right here is actually, it's also 4 inches. And with that curve, let me see, right here. Okay, so some of the things you can do with a cap press, like say you're not interested in doing caps. Say you don't want to do caps. It's a couple of other things you can use a cap press for. And I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so right here, like with this Gildan shirt right here, it's got a tearaway tag. You can rip this tag out. You can grab one of your platens and place it on here, and you can take your shirt right here, put it here, and put a custom tag inside the shirt like so. And this will be a lot easier than having to flip it out and put it on a bigger heat press. Okay, another thing you can do with it is, okay, right here, as y'all see, even though these masks are not, you know, they're not really the size and stuff that I needed, you can, I don't know, maybe I can try printing this on here with this on it, but you can take this mask right here and stretch it out over here. This one I probably need a bigger one to do that. Let me see. Maybe this one. Let me try and see. But you could take a mask, stretch it out on here, and you can print on it just like so. Some of these may not be the right size for them, but I'm just trying it out, and it may depend on what size your mask is. But yeah, and because this is smaller, I'm thinking it would get hot faster. I might try this and see what the print looks like with this if I'm using the hat press, y'all. Even though this part is not going to be on there, that won't be so bad, but I might have to give it a try with that. I'm gonna try the biggest one and see if it'll stretch the entire thing out over it right here. So this one, it's gonna be a little too big, I think. Yeah, it's gonna be a little too big, but we're gonna try it, stretch it out on here anyway. But yeah, if it was a flat one, it probably could lay on here pretty flat, and it might would work. But that's one other thing that you could try with this hat press. And I do have some type of flimsy hats over here. I'm gonna grab one and see what it looks like. Okay, y'all, these not the best hats right here, but my mom bought these like really weird hats right here. And let me see, this is gonna be too big, I think, to go on here. I'm just gonna try it and see. So you would have to take this part. This one is too big for that. I'm gonna just move that one to the side. Let me see. And I was just doing this unboxing, so I'm not really gonna be printing anything today. Okay, we're probably gonna need this one. This one right here, I'm thinking, or maybe, let me try this wider one and see what it's looking like. I'm gonna just stick it on here. I think this is gonna be the right size. Y'all know I haven't ever printed hats before, so I'm just kind of trying it out a little bit. So we're gonna fix this part right here and just make sure that everything is gonna be flat. And actually you have to put this part on this little pull down thing. Hopefully y'all can see that. You just attach the hat to that, and let me see, and then you pull it down like that because you want the hat to be flat. Let me see if I can get it on here where it's flat. Yeah, you want it to be on here flat, because if it's not flat, your print is probably not gonna come out right. So right there, y'all see how it is kind of a little part right there that's not quite flat. But these are not the ideal hats, y'all. These are not the ideal hats to be printing on. I don't even know where my mom got these hats from. She just gave them to me one day, and I just took them because she gave them to me. I didn't have no way of printing them or anything, but that's basically what it would be. It is like a little space right here, so that's gonna have to be tight. That's gonna all have to be tight in order for it to work. But these are, like I was telling y'all, some weird hats. So that's the equipment that I have, and I just wanted to let you guys check it out. But I will be using the hat press soon once I get a chance, just so I can give you guys a good review and let you know what I think about it. But it's a heat press nation, auto open, and you know how I love the other press, so I'm probably gonna like it. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, because I know a lot of y'all, I've been looking at my analytics and I see a lot of you guys are not subscribed, but I appreciate you watching anyway. But if you like the videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Print Squad out.